Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. So this is Afterlife Studios, where hopefully you guys will join us on a very long and creative journey towards independent toy, upcycled products, and much, much more. So please do subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and leave us a comment, and let us know if you've purchased any of our haunted houses, or if you decorated any of our haunted houses, or if you've collected any of our art and toys so far. It would be great to hear from you. So again, welcome to the channel, and stick around because there's going to be a lot happening here. Thanks. Okay, cut. All right, guys, so let's call this video 0. So we're going to be embarking on a content journey of creativity and collaboration between my wife and myself, with a little bit of a DIY how-to approach on how we make our houses, and kind of like the potential and possibilities that you can creatively embellish these to your heart's content. So we've singled out a house here. Not exactly sure what cartoon or whatever this house is from. We found this at a Goodwill, where you buy items by the pound, and if they don't get sold at that location, then they go to the landfill. So this house ultimately embodies everything that we want to do with our upcycled toys and that concept. So we'll be decorating this house. We'll give you a step-by-step on how we do it, what we do it, and the insights, because this is going to be a creative process. Even since we just brought this house upstairs, my wife and I sat here during dinner and we came up with 2 or 3 ideas that were completely novel, and that I think are going to create an even higher ceiling for the decorations and time you can spend, and ultimately the finished product that you and your loved ones will create. And then at the end of this series, we're going to raffle off this house, so there'll be details to come about how to win this. Wherever you live in the lower 49, we will ship this thing to you, and it'll be yours to enjoy. So thanks again for looking at the channel. There's going to be fast and furious content here. We have a lot of ideas and a little bit to a lot of time. So we hope you enjoy. If you have any suggestions or if you have any questions, please do leave them in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel. We are Afterlife Studios. This is going to be an upcycled toy journey, and we are doing our part to keep toys out of the landfill and bring unique activities and projects to you guys to do, where you can put your phones down and participate in something as a family, be creative, and ultimately have fun with the play experience. So thanks again for joining the channel. We'll see you guys soon. Not exactly sure what the cadence of the videos will be. We're building up a library right now, and we'll start to release these things in February. So tune in again, hit the bell for notifications, and thanks for your support. See you later.
Sorry, I had to clear my throat so bad, I felt like I was choking.
It's okay. Oh, God. Oh, my God, that lasagna was banging.
Yeah, it was.